Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make and use styles in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your browser here, and then in here you will type Google Docs, and then open up this first link, and then from there just go to the Docs option and just click on this blank option here. Okay, and once you do this, basically I will just insert this text here. And now how I can basically add some styling to this text. Okay, so I will go into this format tools, and then here you can see we have paragraph styles option. Okay, so the first thing is borders and shading. So just tap on this one, and now I can basically add borders. So let's suppose if I wanted to add this border here, I will choose this one. I will set the border width from here, border dash from here as well. Border color will be let's suppose I want this color, and background color will be white, and then I will just hit on apply, and here you can see that we have just added this top border here. Also we can go to format paragraph styles, and we can convert this into normal text, title, subtitle, and multiple more options. Okay, so I will just convert this into the third heading here, apply third heading, and now you can see that it is converted. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.